Do you have a video and want to trim it before posting on your social media account? But you don't have a video editor? Well, you don't need that. You can do that with Windows 10 Hidden Editor. This hidden editor is Windows 10 Photos app. Yes, you can trim videos in Windows 10 using Photos app. I will also explain the other things that you can do with the Photos app. For minor video editing, you don't need to download heavy video editors. You can do that with the inbuilt Photos app. Before we start this guide, press that like button and subscribe to our channel. Use Photos app to trim video in Windows 10. To trim the video using the Photos app, click on the Start and type Photos, then click on the Photos app. Now you will see the Photos app. Click on the Video Editor. Then click on the New Video Project. Now name your video project and click on OK. Now it's time to add your clip to the project. Click on the Add button under the project library. Now select from where you want to add the clip. Then browse and select the clip and click on Open. You can also drag and drop the clip from the folder directly. Now drag the clip from the project library and drop to the storyboard. Let's thank our sponsor MalwareFox for this video. MalwareFox gets rid of hidden malware from your computer. It is a simple yet effective anti-malware software providing protection against adware, spyware, ransomware, keyloggers, and all modern cyber threats. Check the description below to download for free. Now click on the Trim button. Then use the sliders to adjust the duration of your video, and then click on the Done button. Now click on the Finish Video button in the top right corner. Now select the output video quality. You can select from 1080p, 720p, and 540p. Then click on the Export button. Now select the location of where you want to save the video and click Export. Once the export process is completed, you will have your trimmed video. Use Photos app to make your video interactive. Windows 10 Photos app can do more than just viewing your pictures. You can edit the images and as well as the videos. You can create video projects by adding multiple clips, trimming, and joining them. Let's see what you can do more using the Photos app. Adding background music and custom audio. The Photos app has some inbuilt background music. You can use that to make your video appealing. Click on the background music and then click the play button to listen to the music and select it. The music length is automatically adjusted to your video length. You can adjust the volume also. The option to sync your video to the music's beat is useful. If you don't like the inbuilt music tracks, you can add custom audio also. It helps to add voiceovers in your video. Click on the Custom Audio. Then click on Add Audio File and select the audio. You can add multiple clips and adjust the duration. Then click on Done. Adding title card. You can add title card using the Photos app also. Click on Add Title Card. It appears before the clip you have selected. You can adjust the duration of the title card. Click on the text, then add your text. You can choose animated text styles and then select its layout. Click on the background to change it. You can choose the colors and can even select custom colors. Now click on the Done button. Split the clips. Photo apps let you split the clip and then apply different effects on different clips. Click on Split, then use the slider to adjust the clip duration and click on Done. Adding text. If you want to add a note at a point in your video, you can add text using the Photos app. Select the clip where you want to add text, and then click on Text. Now use the slider to reach the point where you want to display the text. Then type the information you want to convey, select text styles, and layout. Then adjust the duration and click Done. Adding motion. The motions in the Photo app let you put the audience's attention in a specific part of the screen. It zooms the screen so that audience attention can be drawn. Select the clip and click on Motions. Then select your motion effect and click on Done. 3D effects. There are several inbuilt 3D effects in the Photos app. These effects make your video more engaging. Select the clip and click on 3D effects. You can browse or search the effects. Once you are sure which one to add, click on it. Now you can use these points to increase the size of the effect and use these to rotate or adjust the spread. There is an option to adjust the volume also. Attach to a point option helps you attach the effect to a point so that it stays there even if your video is moving. Enable it and use the anchor to fix it in a part of your video. Click on the Done button once you finish editing. Using filters. The filters help you in fixing the color in your video clips on the Photos app. Select the clip on which you want to add filters, then click on the filters. Now select the filter and click on Done. The Photos app also helps you in rotating the video. You can adjust the audio volume of each clip separately. The Photos app looks simple from the outside but has exciting features. For all these video editing features, other software charges you a hefty subscription fee, while you are getting it free with Windows 10. So use the Photos app to edit your video. It is not for expert video editing, but it can be used to make a boring clip enjoyable. If you face any problems and have some suggestions, comment about it and we'll try to come up with a solution. If this video helps you out, press the like button and subscribe to our channel. Your likes and comments motivate us to create such videos. Don't forget to click on the bell button to receive alerts when we upload a new video for Windows 10 tips and tricks.